So we're told 24% of the time you're going to get a blue and 31% of the time you're going to get a yellow. We've got to work out the rest, haven't we, to start with. So what I'm going to remind myself is what we're told in the question. It says the probability of green is, now is an equal sign, probability of green is equal to twice the probability of red. So I'll just turn that sentence into maths, alright? That might be able to help me in a second. So I've got to remember also that all probabilities add up to 1. Now, I've got 4 probabilities to work out, and 2 of them I'm given. So 1, take away the 2 that I've been given, should tell me the remainder of probabilities that I have to find. So if I add those two together and take that away from 1, it tells me that the probability of green plus the probability of red has to equal 0.45. Okay? So let's just write down what I've discovered so far. So it's a probability of, I know that the probability of red and the probability of green added together has to equal 0.45. That's because all probabilities have to add up to 1. Okay. And I know something about the probability of green. The probability of green is equal to twice the number of probability of reds. That's what the maths tells me, that's what the English tells me in the question. So if I could replace that probability of green with 2 probabilities of red, because green is the same as 2 probabilities of red. And now 1 probability of red plus 2 probabilities of red is going to equal 3 probabilities of red, equals 0.45. But I don't want 3 probabilities of red, I want 1 probability of red, so I'm going to divide both sides by 3, and that tells me the probability of red is equal to 0.15. And we know that the probability of green is equal to twice the probability of red. So the probability of green must be 2 times by the probability of red. So here it goes, 0.30. So now I've completed the table, I'm feeling pretty confident. Now I've found out now so far that 15% of the time I'm going to get a red. Now this person is going to do whatever they're going to do 180 times, and 15% of that is going to be red. So I need to find 15%. Now you can just times it by 15 over 100, but 15 over 100 is 0.15 anyway. So in actual fact, all I have to do is that. So 180 times by 0.15 will give me the number of times they're going to get red, which is 27. Do write a sentence for the examiner. So I expect to get something like, I expect him to get 27 reds. And there we have it. So done quite well, although people who got to the 0.45, 0.15 didn't know what to do to find the percentage. Well, to find a percentage, what does it say? Of means times, so of percentage out of per cent on 100. So we're going to times by the percentage. And M marks. So to get that A for 27, you have to get the M marks first.